Very good morning to all of you. So, in the last class, we were discussing about the reactivity of alkali metals towards halogens and towards hydrogens. So, we have already discussed about their reactivity as well as their solubility in water. So there are two factors which decide the solubility of any compound of alkali metals. The first factor is lattice energy and the second factor is hydration energy. And as we go from top to bottom, in case of halides, the solubility decreases because the decrease in lattice energy is less as compared to the decrease in the hydration energy, with one exception of fluorides. If we talk about fluorides, we have lithium fluoride, sodium fluoride, uh, then we have potassium, rubidium, and then we have cesium. If we talk about fluorides, then their solubility increases on going down the group. Okay, solubility increases in water because the decrease in lattice energy is more as compared to the decrease in the hydration energy. But in case of other, the order is just opposite. Solubility decreases because the decrease in lattice energy is less as compared to that of hydration energy. Now this the only exception of is lithium fluoride. All the compounds of lithium, all the halides of lithium are covalent in nature, but this lithium fluoride is ionic. Okay, this is ionic in nature. This is the only compound of lithium which is ionic. That is why it is insoluble in water. Due to its ionic nature, its high lattice energy. Due to its high lattice energy. The lattice energy is very high as compared to the other fluorides. So and if we talk about the other elements, like if we have lithium fluoride, if we talk about only chlorides, lithium chloride, sodium chloride, and then we have potassium chloride, rubidium chloride, and cesium chloride. If we talk about these all, so as we go top to bottom, their melting point and boiling point decreases. Melting point actually decreases due to decrease in the lattice energy. Due to decrease in the lattice energy, this trend uh, and lithium chloride is covalent in nature. Okay, this is covalent in nature. So that is why the melting point of lithium chloride is exceptionally less as compared to the other. So the order will be lithium chloride का सबसे कम, and then sodium cesium chloride, then rubidium chloride, then potassium, and then we have larger higher melting point of सोडियम क्लोराइड. तो सोडियम क्लोराइड का जो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट है वो सबसे ज्यादा होता है. होना तो लिथियम क्लोराइड का चाहिए, बट द मेन रीजन इज दैट इट इज कोवेलेंट इन नेचर. All other compounds are ionic in nature. This thing you have to keep in your mind. So this is all about the solubility of metal halides. So this thing we have already discussed in the live class also. Now next is oxo compounds. So oxo compounds are those in which hydrogen is present, the acidic hydrogen is present in the form of hydroxides. The acidic hydrogen is present in the form of hydroxide, that are oxo compounds. So they will form salt of oxo acids. So salts of oxo acids. So oxo acids, for example, we have H2CO3. In case of H2CO3, this acidic hydrogen is in the form of OH. It is attached to oxygen. So they can easily form salts of oxo acid, like we have Li2CO3. Li2CO3 हो गया. Now this is also an exception, that lithium carbonate, only lithium carbonate is unstable to heat, and it gets easily converted into or it gets decomposed into its oxide, and CO2 gas will release. Okay, other carbonates are highly stable. Okay, other carbonates are highly stable. And if we talk about the bicarbonates, okay, if we talk about bicarbonates, so lithium bicarbonate will not form. Okay, lithium bicarbonate नहीं बनता, LiHCO3 will not solid is not present in the solid form because lithium hydrogen carbonate is soluble in nature. It is soluble in water. That is why it will not form. It is always present in aqueous state. And if we talk about the other ones, okay, like we have sodium hydroxide, it is in solid form, okay, known as baking soda, okay, and they all give this reaction, this German reaction, which we have already learned studied in 10th class also. Okay, formation of Na2 CO3.10 वॉशिंग सोडा की फॉर्मेशन है फ्रॉम बेकिंग सोडा. तो क्या होता है कि दिस बेकिंग सोडा, ओके, आई एम टेकिंग द जनरल फॉर्म एज MHCO3. ओके, दिस MHCO3 on heating decompose to M2CO3 plus water plus CO2. Okay, this is the general reaction which all bicarbonates except lithium will give. Okay, they all give this reaction. Lithium bicarbonates decompose to carbonates. Okay, so bicarbonates जो है जितने भी, they can easily decompose to carbonates on heating. Okay, तो वो वॉशिंग सोडा वाली रिएक्शन क्या थी? वॉशिंग सोडा वाली रिएक्शन कुछ इस तरह से है कि सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट upon heating gets converted into Na2CO3 plus water plus CO2. Okay, and then this sodium carbonate react with 10 molecules of water to give washing soda. Okay, this is the formation of washing soda from baking soda. ठीक है, एंड बेकिंग सोडा हम कैसे बनाते हैं? बेकिंग सोडा वी कैन इजीली प्रिपेयर जस्ट बाय रिएक्टिंग NaCl with ammonia with CO2 plus water. Okay, we can easily form NaHCO3. This is the formation of sodium bicarbonate plus ammonium chloride. Okay, so this is the first step in the formation of baking soda, that is sodium bicarbonate, and then sodium bicarbonate, this is the second step, leads to the formation of sodium carbonate, and then this sodium carbonate react with 10 molecules of water to give washing soda. Okay, washing soda, and this is known as Solvay's process. Okay, this is known as Solvay's method or Solvay's process. Solvay's process. Okay, so keep in your mind this reaction also. Okay, now let us discuss about their solubility. Okay, as we all know, if I am saying, okay, if I am saying that their solubility increases on going down the group, ठीक है, अगर मैं आपको कह रहा हूं कि इसकी solubility जो है वो solubility of carbonates and bicarbonates increases on going down the group, then what will be the reason behind their solubility? Easy है, ठीक है, because we all know there are only two factors which decide the solubility: lattice energy and hydration energy. So if I am saying that it's their lattice solubility increases on down the group, it means decrease in hydration energy is less as compared to decrease in the lattice energy. Okay, so solubility of carbonates and bicarbonates, increases down the group. Okay, increases down the group. Okay, what will be the reason? Because decrease in lattice energy is more. Okay, decrease in lattice energy is more as compared to hydration energy. Okay, compared to hydration energy. It means cesium carbonates or cesium bicarbonates are more soluble than that of lithium or sodium carbonates. Okay, So this is the main reason. Okay, so this is just opposite to that of halides, because in case of halides the decrease in lattice energy is less as compared to hydration energy, except that of fluorides. ठीक है, fluorides are the only exception. तो ये चीज आपको दिमाग में रखनी है अच्छे से. This is the main reason. Okay, now let's move on to the next property, that is reaction with liquid ammonia. Okay, and this reaction is very important, and these reagents, sodium plus liquid ammonia, is also used in organic chemistry in order to convert alkynes, in order to convert triple bond to double bond. Okay, so reaction with liquid ammonia, reaction with liquid ammonia. Okay, so when they react with liquid ammonia, they will form they will form blue color solutions. Okay, so metal react with liquid ammonia. Okay, why they form blue solutions? Due to the formation of ions, due to the formation of ammoniated cation and electrons. Okay, ammoniated electrons. So for example, if we take some moles of ammonia, like we have A plus B. Okay, A moles and B moles. Okay, we have taken A plus B moles. Okay, so what will happen? So formation of cation takes place. Similarly, formation of anion takes place. Okay, so this will form M positive. Okay, M positive NH3 A and E negative NH3B. Okay, so because there are some of the moles involved in the formation of cation and some ammoniated electrons. Okay, now why they are colored? Okay, why they give blue color? Okay, this is ammoniated cations, and these are ammoniated electrons. Now these ammoniated electrons are actually responsible for the color. Ammoniated electrons. Okay, so some of the moles of ammonia used in the formation of cation, and some of the moles are used in the formation of electrons. Now one more thing, these are of blue color. Okay, the color is blue solution will form. Now what is the reason behind this blue solution? Actually, when we provide them heat, okay, when we pass light, or we impart some photons on this solution, so these ammoniated electrons gets excited. Okay, they will get excited, these electrons will get excited, and after some time on de-excitation, they will give energy, or you can also actually the band gap. Okay, the band gap resembles the electrochemical series. Okay, the electro spectrum series, that is ranges between red region. Okay, red region में आती है. Okay, so they simply they absorb light which is in the red region. Okay, of the visible light. Okay, तो red region की wavelength की light को क्या करता है? These electrons will absorb, and that is why they transmit the opposite color. Okay, this is the color wheel. ये color wheel होता है, ठीक है? This is the color wheel Vibgyor. Okay, Vibgyor. So if we talk about their color, they absorb light of orange red color. Okay, they absorb light of orange red color range, and that is why they have greenish blue color. Okay, they have greenish blue color. They absorb light of reddish blue orange color and transmit the opposite color. Okay, they will transmit the bluish green color. Okay, so that is why the color of solution is bluish green, because they absorb light of wavelength range of reddish orange. Okay, now as the concentration of the ammoniated solution, as the concentration of this solution increases, above 3 molar, okay, this color changes to copper, okay, copper bronze color. Okay, write it in your notes that as we increase the concentration above 3 molar, the copper gets converted to the color gets converted to copper bronze. Okay, copper bronze color में change हो जाता है. And the solutions which are of copper bronze color are diamagnetic in nature. Okay, they are diamagnetic in nature, and the solutions which are of blue color, that are of paramagnetic in nature, because as the concentration of ammonia increases, okay, as the concentration of ammonia increases, the electrons get paired. Okay, the ammoniated electrons get paired like this. They will get paired to electrons of ammonia. Okay, they will get paired like this. NH3. Okay, they will get paired like this. Okay, this is the reaction. तो ये पेयरिंग हो जाती है ऑफ अपोजिट स्पिन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की. ओके, above 4 molar, sorry, 3 molar. Okay, when the color of the solution is copper bronze. When the color of the solution is copper bronze. Okay, so this solution sodium plus liquid ammonia. Okay, this solution is used in a reaction which is very popular, that is Birch reduction in inorganic chemistry. This is a reaction Birch reduction. Okay, and this reaction used to convert triple bond. Okay, triple bond to double bond. Okay, so triple bond को double bond में change करने के लिए helpful है. It will give trans product. Okay, now what is trans product? In trans product, same groups are present on the opposite side. For example, this. Okay, same groups are present on the opposite side. In cis isomer, same groups are present on the same side. This is trans and cis. Okay, this is trans, in which for example if there is if this is present like this, CH3, and then we have C triple bond CH3. Okay, so if we react it with sodium and ammonia, okay, we will get a trans product. Okay, same group are present on the opposite side. Okay, so this is all about the reaction with ammonia. Okay, and they are of they will give color blue color, and as the concentration increases up to 3 molar, the color changes to copper bronze. Now one more thing, they are ionic in nature due to the formation of this cation as well as electron. They are ionic in nature, and they have highly conductivity. Okay, but the conductivity decreases as we move from top to bottom. Okay, or as the concentration increases. Sorry, as the concentration increases, conductivity decreases. Okay, why the conductivity decreases? The same reason is because on increasing the concentration, they will get converted into diamagnetic. Okay, तो diamagnetic में convert हो जाते हैं. That is why their conductivity decrease. Okay, and gets changes to copper or bronze color. Okay, now what is the anomalous behavior of lithium? Okay, so let us discuss that one also, and then in the next lecture we will discuss about its diagonal nature, its diagonal relationship with magnesium. Okay, so lithium and magnesium show some of the similar properties. Now what is the anomalous behavior of lithium? Okay, so first anomalous behavior is its small size. Okay, small size. Okay, so the size of lithium is very small as compared to the other. Okay, that is why high polarizing power. Okay, it has a very high polarizing power. Okay, third is form monoxides. Okay, the others will form peroxide as well as superoxide. It will form only monoxide. Fourth one is uh, lithium carbonate, lithium hydroxide, and uh, lithium carbonate, lithium carbonates are not stable, are not stable. ओके, तो अगर हम लिथियम कार्बोनेट हाइड्रोक्साइड की बात करें, इट कैन इजीली डिकम्पोज टू लिथियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, okay, plus water. Similarly, lithium carbonate can also converted into lithium oxide plus CO2. Okay, the fifth anomalous behavior is lithium is the only metal which can form nitride. Okay, lithium uh, lithium uh, only forms nitride. Lithium is only able to form nitrides. Okay, so lithium on reaction with N2 gives lithium nitride. Okay, lithium nitride. The others are not able to form this compound. Okay, next is sixth anomalous behavior is very important. All the compounds of lithium, all halides of lithium are covalent, of lithium are covalent as compared to lithium fluoride. Okay, as compare except lithium fluoride, except lithium fluoride, all the halides of lithium are covalent in nature. Okay, next is seventh point. Seventh point is seventh point is if we talk about their bicarbonate. So lithium bicarbonate doesn't exist. Okay, so its bicarbonate doesn't exist because it is soluble in water. Eighth one is lithium nitrate. If we talk about lithium nitrate, upon decomposition, okay, I think 8 points are are enough. Upon decomposition, gives both nitrogen gas as well as both nitrogen gives brown color NO2 gas. Okay, gives NO2 as well as CO2. Sorry, O2. Okay, as well as O2. Others will not give this NO2 gas. Okay, if we talk about lithium nitrate, upon decomposition gives Li2O plus NO2 plus oxygen. Okay, but if we talk about some other nitrates, for example, we have sodium nitrate. So sodium nitrate on heating gives NaNO2 nitrite plus oxygen only. Okay, it will not give NO2. Okay, we can easily check it in the lab because this nitrate is of brown color. Okay, if we have two compounds, for example, if we have lithium nitrate and sodium nitrate, okay, and we have to check the nature, so just take them in a test tube, okay, and start and take them under flame. This lithium nitrate can easily give brown color. Okay, this due to the formation of this nitric oxide. Okay, so this is all about its anomalous behavior. These points are I think enough. Uh, in the next lecture we will discuss about the diagonal relationship of lithium with magnesium. Okay, so read some questions related to these topics. And one more thing, if we talk about its lithium oxide, okay, so lithium oxide when react with oxygen, when it react with water gives lithium hydroxides, Okay, this is a very good difference between oxide, between monoxide, peroxide, and superoxide. If we talk about simple oxide, okay, for example, we have lithium oxide. Okay, so lithium oxide का ये example ले लेते हैं, Li2O on reaction with water gives lithium hydroxide. ठीक है, but if we have peroxide react with water to give hydroxide as well as hydrogen peroxide. Okay, and if we have superoxide on reaction with water give hydroxide, peroxide, hydrogen peroxide plus oxygen gas. Okay, so there are three products in case of superoxide. ठीक है, hydroxide, hydrogen peroxide as well as oxygen gas. Okay, so this is all about the alkali metal, their reactions, their chemical and physical properties. Okay, so read all these reactions from the textbook also, and if you have any doubt you may ask in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching the lecture.